Hello friends, myself Envy Lahamge, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, MVP Samaj, Nasik.
The next topic of the TCS, that is nothing but the languages. Under these regular languages, we have to study different terms like regular expressions, then different language types, and so many terms comes under these regular languages. Among of them, first is the regular expression. So, first of all, we will see what is the regular language and then we will come towards the regular expression. Consider some cases like when all possible strings are denoted by the finite automata and they are stored in some languages so that these set of languages are nothing but the regular languages. Means the storage of finite automata is nothing but the regular language. Again, see this term. In last few videos, we had seen that we are going to draw some diagrammatical representation of some finite automatas, and the storage of finite automata are done in terms of languages, and that languages are nothing but the regular languages. The language by finite automata are described or represented by a single expression called as the regular expressions. Now, we had represented the finite automata by the regular languages, and the mechanism by which regular languages are represented is nothing but the regular expression. So, in detail, we see what is the actual definition behind the regular expression. The language that are associated with these regular expressions are nothing but regular and associated to be defined by the finite automata. Means, in plain terms, we can say that the language used to represent finite automata is nothing but the regular expression. Means, keep in mind that when we are representing this finite automata, we have to compulsorily use these regular expressions, and the languages which are using these regular expressions are also indirectly regular languages. Now, we will see different applications of regular expressions. So, we will list them and try to explain them one by one. First of all, compiler uses the regular expressions for representing the various rules and regulations regarding tokens like variables, constant, keywords, and the various user-defined entities. Means, first application where these regular expressions are used is nothing but the compiler in background uses these regular expressions. For which purpose? They are using this for the storage of tokens like variables, constants, keywords, and various user-defined entities. Then next application area is nothing but the operating system. Different operating systems are using these regular expressions in commands of the command line interfaces. For example, some file characters like star, comma, question mark are used in DOS operating system. Meta characters like star, question mark, dot, brackets used in the Unix operating system. Third application area is nothing but the database management system, means our regular DBMS. What are these DBMS actually perform when it are using regular expressions? That uses regular expressions for finding out the user-defined entities from ready-made entities. Then next application is nothing but the spreadsheets. Next application is nothing but the spreadsheets softwares that are used for regular expressions for filtering the different records among the databases. Means these softwares are specifically used for filtering the records accepted by the users. Now, last expression is nothing but the some utility softwares. What is the last application? Some utility softwares that are using the regular expressions in their code, like the LEX, which accepts the regular expression as an input and produce the equivalence C program as an output. So these are the some different application areas of a regular expression, and these are totally based on the theory of sets and operations of a strings that are depend upon the different terms like concatenation, clean closure, positive closure, and so many such related things. So these are some background details about what are the regular languages and what are the different regular expressions, their applications and their real life use.